Massive trade opportunity on gold right now. As you can see on the chart in my immediate last video right here, I talked to you about this market coming back to the downside and that markets have exhausted its move to the upside, and we're going to see the market begin to come back to the downside. And this opportunity is very nice for all good traders. So watch this very video to the very end. Support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos, educational content and technical analysis. Right here on the gold chart, we've seen the market move all the way from this very level after this breakout of resistance. As you see right here, market begin to move upward into this very point, and this was the highest high that we see right at this very area before market come up a little bit, fail to create a new high and then come back to the downside as we are seeing right now. So right now there is a very nice sell opportunity on the gold chart because there is a break of structure on the 4-hour chart. And if I move a little bit down to the 4-hour chart, you see this very clearly. So if I go back to the 4-hour chart, which is very clear right here, you see the market has been moving upward. So first and first, we have to understand the rhythm of the market, what the market has been doing from our market structure knowledge. Now, in my immediate last video right here, this very market structure secret, I talk about understanding proper market structure breakout. So if you say the market have actually break structure, what does that mean? So if you look at this very area, market move all the way from here upward as an impulsive move, retracement. We have this and then the market retrace, and this was the final impulse. Okay, so what this means is this is not a break of structure for this is not also a break of structure. This is where the break of structure happened at this very point. So instead of you to consider this very area as break of structure, or this is the right break of structure for this very market. And the reason why is because if you notice the way the market has been moving upward from this very point, market moved to this very area, retrace, move upward, we have retracement. This was the final impulse. Okay, this is not an impulsive move. This is also not an impulsive move. So the final impulsive move that we see clearly on this chart is this very move from here to the upside. Every other move is still within this very high and this very low right here. So the break of structure to the downside happened at this very level of important support. This is very important, so that you don't confuse yourself with this very zone of support as break of structure or this very area as break of structure. This is a support, no doubt. This is also another support, no doubt. But as the market begins to go down, you don't consider when the market break out of this as break of structure, because the last impulse that we see in the market is this very impulse. Until market break this impulse, market have not broken structure. So from what we are seeing right now on this very chart, break of structure have actually happened right here, because if you draw this out very clearly, you discover that from this very area right here, we see this very move to the upside from here. Market have actually broken structure to the downside from this very area. See the move from here downward. So market is at this very point right now. So very critically, this is the right time to begin to look for sell opportunity on gold right now. So this is what you have to do. So from this very area, market has been moving all the way from here downward. So you're not going to take a position at this very point where the market is right now of $2,299 for gold, but at this very point is another level of important support as well. So I am expecting that this market go up within this very zone of support. Okay, so we have begun to see spike right now from this very area. So we see spike right here, which means market have capacity of retracing from this very zone. So what you need to expect right now is a retracement. So therefore, there is no need for you to take a sell position from this very point. Rather, you have to wait for the market to retrace upward. Then after retracement, you take a sell position to the downside for a nice move to the downside that's going to happen on gold right now. So the first point that you need to pay attention to is this very area of support. I am expecting the market should move down into this area of support a little bit, and then from here we'll see the market retrace to the upside. The first point you should expect a retracement to pause is this very area of support right here. That is very clear on the chart from this very zone. And the second point you should expect retracement to also pause for you to take that very sell position is also this very area as well. Okay, so this very point is a very nice trade zone that you need to take a sell position from on this very chart. So very importantly, all you need to do right now is to wait. Don't take a buy position from this very point where the market is right now. Don't also take a sell position from this very point where the market is right now. All you need to do is to wait a little bit for the market to move a little downward. Then the market is going to retrace to this very level first. This is a nice point to set the market from, and this very area is another nice point to sell the market from. Okay, so this very zone right here is the first area I am expecting market to begin to come back to the downside, and this very point as well is a second area or second zone you should also expect the market to come back to the downside from. So this is very important. So two sell zone. The first one is this very area of important support, which will turn resistance, and this very area as well of important support, which will also turn resistance on the chart. So from this very area, you should take a sell position. So you need to apply this in your strategy and know when retracement, because this is a retracement in the market, know when retracement have ended for you to enter this position from here to the downside, or know when retracement have ended for you to enter this position from this very area of support that will turn resistance to the downside as well. So this is very important. This means that the market is going to further crash back down on gold in the coming days. So this is very important, guys, and this is very important for gold traders right now. Don't look for buy position, rather look for sell opportunity after this very retracement that's going to come into the market right now on the gold chart. Support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. Don't forget to check the channel for other forex videos, educational content, technical analysis, and day trading strategy. Thanks for watching today's video, and if you've not registered with any forex broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this very video. Check it out and do your registration right now. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.